Slimline Warehouse is proud to present Stand Up for Health. The more technology evolves, the less we move. We spend our working days sitting behind a desk, which causes bad posture and long-term health consequences. Our innovative, all-new sit-stand desktop desk effectively prevents health problems caused by prolonged sitting. Switch between sitting and standing in seconds, thanks to our highly advanced gas piston engineering. Its height-adjustable nature makes it yours to customize, raising and lowering between 170 and 430 millimeters off your tabletop. The large black top shelf accommodates your monitor as well as any additional accessories. A uniquely designed removable tray houses your keyboard and mouse at just the right ergonomic height. To remove the tray, simply loosen the two levers underneath your desk and pull the tray from underneath. With an extensive 2-year warranty and the ability to improve your health one day at a time, there's only everything to gain. Make this popular addition to any home or office space yours by visiting us online today. Slimline Warehouse, creating a healthier tomorrow today.